kids, welcome to Gablo Kids TV. Today we are going to learn E to K with the Khan Academy Kids game. Are you ready? Let's go. Looks. This is the letter A. A say A. Can you say it with me? A. Let's trace the letter A. Good job. A for apple. The sound is A. 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 A for apple. Next, B. B says B. Can you say it with me? B. Let's trace the letter B. Good job. B for ball. The sound is B. 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 B for ball. Next is C. C. C says K. Can you say it with me? C. Let's trace the letter C. Great job. C is for cat. The sound is K. 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 C for cat. Next is D. D says D. Can you say it with me? D. Let's trace the letter D. Good job. D is for duck. The sound is D. 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 D for duck. Next is E. E says E. Can you say it with me? E for egg. Let's trace the letter. The sound is E. Good job. Egg. Next is F. F says F. Can you say it with me? F. Let's trace the letter F. Good job. F for frog. The sound is F. For frog. Next is G. G says G. Can you say it with me? G. Let's trace the letter G. Great job. G for grapes. The sound is G. 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 G for grapes. Next is H. H says H. Can you say it with me? H. Let's trace the letter H. Good job. H for horse. H sound is H. H. H for horse. Next is I. I says A. Can you say it with me? I. Let's trace the letter I. Good job. I for igloo. The sound is I. For igloo. Next is J. J says G. Can you say it with me? J. Let's trace the letter J. Good job. J for jelly. The sound is J. G. G. G for jelly. Next is K. K says K. Can you say it with me? K. Let's trace the letter K. Good job. K for kite. The sound is K. 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 K for kite. Wow, you learned all the letters from A to K. Great job, little learners. If you want more fun learning videos, don't forget to subscribe to Gablo Kids TV. Bye bye. See you soon.